everybody, Andrea and Andy.
Hey everybody.
So, we have a full day today. I have to get a 24.9 bike ride in today. Andy's joining me along again, so make the miles go faster. And then, at home, we get to cut the lawn. And we have a new pantry that matches our cabinets to our kitchen we did 3 years ago. So, we're going to fill that, clean it all out, and it's going to be a very full day.
Yeah, we'll probably record doing that to see how well we do.
Alright.
Yep, busy day.
Again, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get all the latest videos. And all your comments and your likes really help with our analytics.
Alright, thanks everyone.
So this is how we end up, shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle, my dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. So this is how we end up. The game is
Jesus, Mother Jesus.
every day remains the same now. One decision we I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again. Just drive.
Okay.
A little winded already. Andrea has a little easier time with her bike. She's got a really good road bike. So she's way up there. It's alright. Winded, even though it's very flat.
Time 26 minutes 54 seconds. Distance 5 miles. Speed 11.2 miles per hour. Split speed 9.8 miles per hour.
That's the former Rams Park back there where the Rams used to practice before they moved back to LA. Yo! Not sure if it's getting it or not, but maybe. I may have stopped it. Nope, it's going. Sweet. Alright, we're about halfway there probably.
11.6.
Is that halfway?
according to my watch, we are at 13.3 and we got to do 24.9. There you go.
I'm surprised it's only halfway because it feels like we went like 20 miles.
But it's a very nice mild day. We did 3 loops that were about 4 miles each. But we're going to have a quick little snack, refuel, and continue.
Continue. All right, going okay so far. So yeah, it's time for a snack, refresh, and then finish this thing. Ooh, the next route we'll show you will be very cool because we'll pass underneath the highway and then you'll see the Missouri River, which borders St. Charles. Very cool.
Which the casino is probably going to be filled because casinos are
is it back
opening up
open now?
now. I believe so.
Ah.
All right, let's go.
All right, she's going first. All right, you can go first. Oh, start your watch. I didn't restart. Hold on, I'm gonna go super slow. All right, resume. Oh, it's flooded. All right, well, holy.
Our path is flooded.
Yeah. All right, we got a flooded path here. So we are done. We can't go, we could go, we'll show you how far we could go here.
This
We're
is
out,
crazy.
isn't it? Look at that.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not
Yeah, check out how high this water is here. Very high, and it's starting to flood over the river. Okay, everybody, I think this concludes our vlog. Andrea did like close to 25 miles. 25 miles. I did a little less so I could get some drone footage, so hopefully that'll turn out pretty good. But you can see the nice little view behind us, Missouri River. So very scenic, and the water's getting high over here, so we need to hightail it out of here.
Yep. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell. All your comments and your likes really help with our analytics. And again, thanks for watching.
And share with your friends to help us out. Thanks. See you, everybody.
Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
All right, everybody, that concludes our vlog for today, I think. We just, was that a bug?
That's a bug.
All right. Let's start over.
Keep it. That's a